Hi, welcome to TechBrotherHood. I am Tahir. In this tutorial, we are going to download JDK, Java Development Kit. If you don't have the latest JDK already installed on your computer, follow my lead. You need to have the JDK installed to run Kotlin programs. To see which version of the JDK you've installed, if any, click the search button at the bottom. Type cmd and open command panel. Then in the terminal, type java c-version in terminal window. As you can see, I haven't installed JDK, and it says I cannot understand what's Java C. We'll fix this problem. If JDK version doesn't come out, open a browser and type install JDK. Open the Oracle website for downloading the JDK. Scroll down a little bit and click Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, you must download from their tab. Because I'm using Windows, I'll be downloading x64 installer. That's the one I'm going to install. I've already downloaded this. Find which directory you download the exe file and double click it. Right now we're going to install the JDK to our computer. Click yes. Yes, click next. This is the path that is going to be installed. You can change it if you want. But I prefer keep it still. So we do not need to see anything. Successfully installed. Let's click close. After you install JDK, we need to add JDK's bin folder path to environment variables to access Java compiler from command line in any directory. So let's go to the program files, Java, and JDK. Open your computer directory. Let's see, program files. Click J on keyboard. As you can see, JDK is here. Click JDK, click bin. Copy this path and then click the search button. Type environment variables. Click environment variables. Select path. Click edit. Click new. Hold Ctrl and V. Paste it here. And say OK. OK. Let's close it. So that's it. We added to our path. Now we can use it. OK. Let's open command panel again. Type cmd. Type java-version. As you can see, we can see the latest Java Development Kit version here. You have installed JDK successfully. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.